There's a guy who has opened my Instagram profile every single day for a year. He has never once sent me a message, not one. I only know because last week I found a tool that shows who actually visits your profile. Not likes, not story views, real visits, with usernames, with timestamps. His name was at the top, 341 visits in 12 months, always at 11:47 at night, the exact same minute. Like he waits for the day to end, checks if I'm still there, and goes to sleep. We have never had a single conversation. Then I clicked his profile to remember who he even was, and I saw it. A photo from 3 weeks ago. He's engaged. There's a ring. There's a caption about forever. And he still opened my page that same night. So I showed this to my best friend. She went pale. Because the guy she's been talking to, the one who takes 6 hours to reply to a text, visits her profile 29 times a day. He says he's bad at texting. He's not bad at watching. Here's the part nobody tells you. The loudest feelings are the silent ones. The people obsessed with you aren't liking your posts or sliding into your DMs. They're the ones who say nothing, watch everything, and think you'll never find out. Right now, while you're watching this, someone is on your profile reading every word. Someone who will never message you. Someone you'd never guess. Do you want to know their name? Link in the description.